All right, so we got this brand new machine here that's been installed. I'm going to show you how to calibrate the machine. First, you'll take off the bezel, which will give you access here to all your solenoids. Then once you got that off, I usually unplug these lights just so they don't blind me. All right, so the first thing you want to do, and when you're calibrating, you got to start with your waters. That's what you want to start with. And we're going to use a graduate. Notice it's marked from 0 to 250. So we got to get into the screen. It's what they call in the industry a secret handshake. And you will drag your finger across, count to 4, and count all or touch all 4 corners. A screen will pop up. There's a secret code. Answer machine. It'll bring you to the maintenance screen. So you want to go to the maintenance, and we're going to go to calibrate. So notice all the flavors here. You have an up and down scroll bar. We're going to scroll all the way till we get to the water. So like I said, you want to do the water first. So now that I've got it here, I'm going to do the water first. All right, so you want to make sure that your milliliters per second is set at 98.58. You can change it. Most of the time when the machine's brand new, that's how it comes. And you want to make sure that you are set to milliliters instead of seconds, otherwise you'll pour a lot. Once you got it there, you just want to push the button that says start purge. It's a timed process. So on this screen here, if you might want to look in here, you see where it says plain water. All right, it's telling me my nozzle is right here, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's on the middle row. So I'm going to pop this screen off. All right, so now that we've got it off, like I said, I'm going to count 4 from the bottom. So here's my nozzle. There's the solenoid. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to go up a row. It's right there. That's the one for plain water. So I'll get my Phillip head screwdriver in. And so to make it more water, we're going to turn it in. All right, when you screw it in too far like that, you're going to get wet. So now we're at 200. So the water is good. Now we'll go to a non-carb flavor. So we'll go back to maintenance and we'll go to a non-carb. Well, while I'm here, I might as well explain this. The flavor shots, which are just shots that go into your drink, they're not calibrated at all. It's just a shot for like a second or two. Powerade, that's the only one we got that's non-carb. So now I want to measure this out to come to 50 milliliters. And we're a little shy, can you see that? So now, here again, it's telling me exactly where the solenoid is. It's blinking on the screen. So there's my nozzle. I'm on the bottom row and I'm the first one in. So it's going to be this one right here. And I am shy, so I want to give it more syrup. So I'm going to turn it in just a little bit. Put my screen back. Now, as you can see, that's on 50. So now all your non-carb drinks are carbonated to spec. Now, to put everything back, just do the reverse. Let's plug our lights up. And then once you're all done, you want to back out of the screen by just hitting the menu, save settings, and exit. We're good to go. I'm Gary, and I'm a Beverage Bro here at Barranco.
I'm Mark, I'm a Beverage Bro. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now.